have just found the easiest viral niche for blowing up on YouTube Shorts in the least amount of time possible. Here's a channel that has grown to over 518,000 subscribers and gets over 15 million views every month just by posting simple YouTube Shorts about world travel. Let's take a look at one of their videos.
These are places on Earth that don't feel real. First up is the cold of Alaska, USA. Next up is the Siwa Oasis.
You get the idea, right? Travel videos are a very popular category on YouTube, and it's an evergreen niche, making it a great one to target for YouTube Shorts right now as well. And what's more is that these videos can be created very easily using one simple AI tool, which I will just show you in a minute, so make sure you stick around till the end. Now go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now let's start by finding the right ideas for the shorts in this niche. For this, look at a few reference channels in your niche to see which topics are performing well for them. Simply go to the reference channel and filter out their shorts by the most popular. This gives you a fair idea of what is in trend. If you look at Travel Shack's channel, we can see that travel listicles about outlandish places do really well for them. With that info, head on over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you ideas for a channel about the world's top destinations, such as top 5 places with the bluest water on earth or top 5 places with the scariest animals, etc. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me 20 video ideas for this channel and list 5 destinations to include under each idea. 20 is just an arbitrary number that I've chosen. You can ask it for as many ideas as you want. Out of the list it generates, this is the idea that I'm going ahead with. It is a very clickbait topic and it doesn't really have a lot of content on it right now, which can give us a competitive advantage. With the idea chosen, it's time to actually start creating the videos. For this, I have found an AI tool that can literally give you publish-ready YouTube videos with just a simple text prompt without you ever having to edit anything. And that tool is InVideo AI. I logged into my account on ai.invideo.io and that got me to this page with a prompt box. Here is where you just need to write the prompt. Now, just with any AI tool, the magic lies in how well you prompt it. The template that I personally use is giving the AI the length of the short and the topic that I want, plus my voiceover settings. I like to keep it simple and always put the length slightly longer than what I want the final short to be, and you will see why in just a minute. So for this short, this is the prompt that I'll be writing. Create a 40-second YouTube short about the top 5 beach destinations in the world. I will just add these to make sure that it uses the destinations that I listed. Now once you press enter, InVideo AI will take a few seconds and then ask you to choose your audience and the look and feel that you want for your video. I will choose holiday makers for the audience, and I wanted to inspire people to travel because the topic of the video is around best tropical beaches. Now when you click on continue, InVideo will take a few minutes to generate the first draft. Let's check it out.
Picture this. Maldives, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches.
I also want to change the intro slightly because I think it's long, and with shorts we want it to be crisp and engaging. For this, I'm going to go ahead and click on this edit option. We'll open a pop-up window. Here you're going to go ahead and choose the edit script option in the top left. And here you can simply make changes to the script however you want. I'm going to go ahead and edit the intro and the outro and then hit apply. All right, now let's check how it looks.
These are 5 beaches you must visit in your lifetime. Have you visited any of them?
Lovely. But I think we need to change the stock media slightly as well. You can change it manually by clicking on the edit option and then clicking on the edit media tab. For example, here we want an image or video clip of Santorini. So I'm going to go ahead and type Santorini in the search box. The script also talks about sunset. So I want to find a clip with a sunset, and then once I find it, simply click on it and you will see that it gets placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. And I can do this for as many clips that I want. Then simply hit apply. And now let's take a look at the final results.
These are 5 beaches you must visit in your lifetime. First, Maldives, a tropical paradise.
That looks awesome. Now, once you're satisfied with the final result, just go ahead and click on export. If you're on the free plan, you will have a watermark on your shorts. But if you're really serious about growing your YouTube Shorts channel, I highly recommend you get on the paid plan, which starts as low as $20 a month. Because having a watermark on your videos can just ruin their performance. Now, once it's exported, just go ahead and upload it to your channel and make sure to use InVideo to create and publish such shorts regularly if you really want to see exponential growth. And don't forget to check out this video next to see which other viral niche we found is blowing up on YouTube.